Taming your accent, a guide to better pronunciation. Hello, learners. Today, we're going to discuss a fundamental and practical approach to improve your English pronunciation. The technique we're focusing on is recording and analyzing your own speech. By consciously listening to how you speak, you can identify problem areas, make corrections, and gradually improve your pronunciation and accent. Recording and analyzing your own speech is a very effective method for accent reduction and improving pronunciation. When you record yourself, you can identify inconsistencies between your pronunciation and standard English pronunciation. This method is also great because it provides an opportunity for self-assessment and enables you to track your progress over time. Start with a quiet environment to ensure the quality of your recordings. Use a good quality microphone or recording device, like your smartphone. Choose a paragraph or a dialogue from a book or an online resource. Make sure to pick something suitable for your level of proficiency. Practice reading it aloud a few times before hitting the record button. Now that you're ready, it's time to hit record. Speak clearly and at a natural pace. Don't rush or slow down excessively. Your goal is to simulate natural conversation as much as possible. After recording, it's time for analysis. Listen to the recording multiple times. Pay close attention to how you pronounce vowels, consonants, and syllable stress patterns. Note areas where you deviate from standard English pronunciation. Are there words or sounds that you find difficult? Are there words that you rush over or stress incorrectly? After identifying the problem areas, it's time to make corrections. Practice pronouncing the words you found difficult. You can use online resources to hear the correct pronunciation of these words. After practicing, record yourself again and compare it to the previous recording. This will give you a good idea of your progress. Remember, changing your accent takes time and practice. Regularly recording and analyzing your speech is an ongoing process. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. And there you have it. By recording and analyzing your own speech, you are taking a huge step towards improving your English pronunciation and reducing your accent. I hope this technique will be a helpful tool on your language learning journey. Remember, it's all about practice, consistency, and patience. Happy learning!